All right, today we're going to go over the solutions to the Bellwork problems from Thursday, October 1st. There are 3 problems on your paper. We are only going to do number 1 and number 2. So we're not going to do the third problem that would utilize this coordinate plane here. We're just going to do number 1 and number 2. All right, so number 1, if p of xy goes to p prime where the new coordinates are x plus 3, y minus 4, describe the transformation in words. So that is a slide. When we're moving the x coordinate left or right and we're moving the y coordinate up or down, that is a slide, so that is a translation. So here, point P has been translated 3 units to the right. We get that 3 units to the right from this plus 3 part here. That tells us we're going 3 units to the right because our x coordinate, we're moving left or right. And then we're moving 4 units down. The 4 units down comes from this minus 4 on our y coordinate. Because remember, the y coordinate is the the vertical shift, so up or down. All right, so that right there is telling us that point P is being translated 3 units right because we have this x plus 3, and 4 units down because we have the y minus 4. Number 2, if P prime is 3, negative 5, what is P? Here, this is a little tricky because it wants us to go backwards. P prime, remember, those are the coordinates after the translation has already happened. So it wants us to go backwards. So if our original movement was x plus 3, to go backwards, we're going to have to do x minus 3. And if our original movement for the y was y minus 4, to go backwards and find out that original y coordinate of point P, we're going to have to do the opposite of subtracting 4, which is adding 4. So we're going backwards, so we're kind of undoing the translation. So now our rule that we're going to use to go backwards is x minus 3, y plus 4. So we're going to take the x coordinate of point P prime, which is 3, and subtract 3 from it to find the original x coordinate of point P. And then we're going to take the y coordinate of point P prime, which is negative 5, and add 4 to it to go back and find the original y coordinate of point P. So when we do that, we get that 3 minus 3 is 0. So the original x coordinate of point P was 0, negative 1, because negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1.